Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a quick unboxing of the new embellishment boxes MK has over in her store, Some Assemblage Required. She is doing an exclusive embellishment box. She's got about 40 of them available, so you can't wait. You got to jump on it because they're going to sell out. But they are hand curated by her, things that she wanted to use, things that she likes, and you can only get these items in her box. They're not going to be for sale in the shop as standalone items. So they will come in a box like this. They are going to be wrapped in some brown paper, which is very MK-like. They will probably be tied with some twine. I don't know if the twine will always be this twine, but I think this is also an awesome item to hang on to because you can use twine on any label or on any layout. That one, it happens to be baker's twine. And then you're going to get all kinds of goodies inside. And I'm super excited for this box, you guys. I do know a couple of the items in here because she asked for a little bit of my input, which was super exciting to be able to help her out with that. But I haven't seen everything, so really excited to open this. So this is the packaging for, if you saw the previous two unboxing videos, there were also film strips. So film strips and tickets are going to be coming in this packaging. So let's open that up and see what these film strips are all about. Come on out, you guys. My goodness, it doesn't want to come out. At some point, you just got to listen. Come on out. Trying to get your scrapbooking stuff to obey you. That's interesting. Okay. I've got it to a point where my finger can actually reach it now. So I can slide it out. You know, the other option is to just take your scissors and cut the end of the packaging off. That works also. Because I probably won't need to keep the packaging, but you never know. Okay, so you're going to get 2 of these tickets. 2 of these. Made it sound like there's 2 tickets, you guys. 2 strips of tickets. The tickets are perforated. And I'm going to show you here what that looks like. So they are perforated. And then these 2 are actually perforated in the center. These are perforated down there, and same with these. So you're getting, it's really hard to see the perforations, but there's the back side. You can kind of see they are perforated, so you can pull them apart. You can also leave them together. I think it's really cool. Ooh, this little piece can be all separate. That's kind of cool. Little arrows. Photographs can be separate. Pretty neat. And same with special delivery. I love that. So yeah, they are super usable. Nice things to tuck in. I love that these ones are green. We also have these tickets. We have 2 strips of these. Each ticket on the strip, it will be different. So you'll have 2 strips, but each of these are different. And I think, let's see here. That one's not perforated in the middle. But yeah, lots of cool stuff there. I also love these because you can circle the date. That one's pretty small, but you could circle the date on some of these kind. I think that's kind of neat. And then we've got some postage stamps. Lots of different shades of green. And again, 2 strips. Each strip, there are not going to be repeats of the stamps, which is kind of cool. So that's exciting. Let's do the exclusive MK designed stuff. So this one says grow your own way, and that is actually the theme of the kit for this month is growth. Grow your own way, I think is what it's actually called. So again, this is cut out of her really thin chipboard, not chipboard, wood veneer. It's the 1/16 of an inch, but it's really pretty and super thin, and I love that. I think that's really cool. This is going to be my favorite piece, so I'm going to show you that one later. That one I already know about. You get a bunch of flowers, which I love these because they are very delicate looking and they are super MK-ish, you know? They're not really frilly and girly, but they are still delicate, so that's kind of exciting. Flowers, and last month there was hearts, which was a big difference for her too. And these come in different shapes. These ones have the pointier leaves, these ones have round, and there's a wide variety inside the package, which is really cool. So those are super neat. And we have a stencil from Sandy over at Scrapping Reflections. The stencil is actually designed by MK, and so she is doing a little bit of work with Sandy to get them cut, and I think that's really cool. I think it's awesome too that it's nice and small, because you can move it all around your page and, you know, just have little bits and pieces of this texture sticking out behind your layout or your embellishments. So that's fun. I love that. We have some leaves from Dusty Attic. These are chipboard leaves. So these ones you can alter with all kinds of different things, between paint, ink, spray mist, Nouveau embellishment mousse, anything. You can, you know, color them up. You can use them as just in their native or natural cardboard look or chipboard look, if you are into that. But those are really fun. And then we have 3 Flare from Scrap and Happy Studio. These are even thinner than the wood veneer, so that's kind of exciting. And you do put them on with a dry glue like ATG or some other tape runner. Don't use your liquid glue on these. It does say here to only use with dry adhesive or foam dots, so any of those work well. But I love the black and white. That's awesome. And then this piece, I'm super excited about this piece. So this was a late night call between MK and I. Okay, maybe not super late, but late for her. This is so cool. This is a sprinkler, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So we have a sprinkler, and we have a spigot, and we have a hose. We got plenty of length of hose, so you can make this go all around your page if you want, or you can cut it, but your hose can go from your spigot to your sprinkler. Oh, it's gonna pull itself off the table. 1 second here. Let's see here. Of course, you know, this works out much easier when there's glue involved. Okay. My handy dandy acrylic block is gonna hold that down. We are gonna pretend this goes right up here to where it would be. And then we have 3 little dots. So you can water your garden. You can water your kids running through the sprinkler. You can water your lawn. You can water whatever you want. But this is super cute, and I love it. Again, these are all exclusive to this box. You can't get it in her shop otherwise. So you're definitely going to have to jump on it if this is something that you are interested in. But aren't those cute? I don't know if I can get those closer. Let me see if I can zoom in just a bit. Look at that. I think those are so cute, you guys. I'm going to bring them up close, but I wanted you to see them kind of with the green hose, just like a green garden hose. But let me bring these up a little closer so you can see the detail in the etching. There we go. I love the little spigot's cute with all of the threads. I think that's super cute. Oh, actually, you know what? That hose would come out this end. I'm a ding dong. The hose would come out this end, not this end, because that would be the end attached to the wall or the pipe. But yeah, super cute. So I can't wait to use those and play with it. Anyway, that is our March box. So I hope that you guys go and check it out over in the shop. And I hope that you like it. And again, don't wait because you can't get it outside of the box. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.